G'day guys, Darcy Ninja. Today a little bit different, something a little bit different for you I should say. I'm gonna get a bit of a chest pump, a little bit of a bro workout. Let's measure the chest first, man, because we're gonna give ourselves about 10 minutes to do an ultimate workout that focuses mostly on the chest. So let's measure what we're at, before and after, see if we get much of a difference. So I'll do a little bit of a tense, just across the nipples.
Yep.
Whoa, gives you a bit extra. 105, mate.
105 already.
You thought you were going to be 97.
Jeez, I'm
you're
not,
a bit bigger than you think.
Not too bad, eh?
Yeah, you're big boy.
Yeah,
boy.
big boy.
Big boy.
All right, let's get it across that.
Do mine in inches. Measuring
All right,
centimetres
across
later.
the nipples.
Yep.
Oh, Ninja, you're big too, mate. 104.
Not as big as you, though.
Yeah, he's big. He's surprising. All right, so this is just something you can do at home with a partner. A little bit different to just going into, I guess, your bench press. There's a little bit of functional stuff in there, a little bit of stability and balance. So what we're going to start off with, Ninja, just going to be a meter apart. We're just going to do some chest throws. So just get the chest nice and warm. Boom, a little bit harder. Nice, no, harder. That's it, hit my chest. Good, good. 10 more. 9, 8, 7,
6, 5,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, we're going to do some rugby throws. So stand on your side, the other way. Yep.
Right this way.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh,
You feel that chest, really squeeze the ball, get some rotation going. Feels good. 10 more. Nice,
nice,
Ninja.
bro.
6, 5, 4. Adding some length to this right pec. I can really feel my right pec. Ninja's left. And swap it up. Good, this side. Let's go. We'll do about 20 of these.
Good to get a bit of twist, isn't it?
Yeah, good rotation of the
Twist
thrust.
and shout.
Twist and shout, yeah.
Wow.
Want to try and keep it a little bit more functional. Nice. 10 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really good. So for shoulder health, for upper thoracic health, we want to make sure that we get some rotation going on in our upper back. Okay, next one, have the, yeah, I have this. We're just going to face the window. We bend over. We're going to go for 50. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Keep going,
10.
go, go.
20 to go. 3. Really get that power, explosive movement. 10 to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful.
Right.
All right.
Blows you up.
Blows you up. Bit of a stretch. Move the ball around. All right, that's our warm up. Heart rate's up over 100. Feeling like nice and loose and limber.
Yep.
Okay, let's just give ourselves a minute. What we're gonna go through next.
What are you cooked up, Darcy?
So I like to use a Bosu ball. We're going to use some dumbbells so we can get a little bit of a decline with our bench, with our push-ups, sorry. But essentially we're just going to hit max amount of push-ups with some weights on our back. So, do you want to go first or do you want me to go first?
Oh, you demonstrate.
Me demonstrate. All right, Nick. So, we need a 20. Yep, you put that on my back. So what we're going to aim for is max amount of push-ups with the 20 on my back, okay? Maybe a rep or 2 in reserve. 1 or 2 in RER. Reps in reserve. So feet up here.
Take the thing off you and pump some more out.
Yep, so you're gonna put it on my
Just there.
back.
And
Good.
Is that the right spot?
Yep, and we're gonna go for it. 1,
yeah.
3,
Holy shizzle.
4, 5,
Wow.
A bit of extra complexity, the toes on the ball.
Yeah.
yep, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, that's good.
Good, Darcy, keep strong.
All right, that's me done with the 20. Good, we're gonna go to the 15 now, Nin. So grab the 15, we're just gonna keep going.
Yeah.
Drop set.
Drop set, super
Drop.
setting. All right, ready when you are. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Come on, Darcy.
5,
Good, bro.
6, 7,
5, 6,
Come on, mate.
9.
Get 10.
Plenty.
Yep, that'll do.
Do you want
Really,
10?
really wanted that 10. Yeah, we're going to go the 10 kilo weight now. Start to fatigue. Don't have too much rest. Straight back into it. All right, let's go. 1, 2,
Come on, man.
3,
Get 10 again.
4,
Alright.
5,
Good. He's got it. He's got it.
6,
Good, Darcy.
7.
3 more.
Yep.
Wow.
8,
Good, mate.
9.
9.
1 more.
Oh, that'll do. Oh, I'm burning.
You want a 5?
I want a 5.
Oh, sheesh.
Drop sets. Yeah, the added instability of this ball and having the angle really challenges me. Let's go.
Yeah.
1, 2,
You seen here first.
3. Oh, I'm fatigued.
Good, Darcy. Oh, come on, mate. What's that? 6,
6.
7? Yep. 7.
Thanks, man.
Good one.
8.
Come on, 2 more.
Oh, shh.
9.
1 more. 1 more. You got it.
Oh. 10.
Ah.
Oh. And I'm gonna have a little go without any weight.
Alright.
Oh, I'm pretty cactus. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Here we go. Ultimate pump. Come on.
Reps, reps,
1,
reps, reps.
2,
2,
3.
4.
Oh. Oh. That's all I've got. Oh.
That's cool.
That's cool. I'm feeling that. You ready?
Should we measure you now? Or you got more to go?
We got more to go. We got your
Ah.
little. We got your little input.
Okay.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
You got this, man. You got this, bro. Yeah. All right. We're gonna.
Oh, geez, just
Yeah.
being here is not that easy game.
All right. I got you.
Oh, mate.
Let's do it.
Jesus.
Come on.
Oh,
Let's go,
Oh.
Ninja. Come on, Ninja.
Come on, bro.
Come on, Ninja.
Yeah. that's
Come
it.
on, Ninja. Come on, Ninja.
Yes.
Come on, Ninja. You got 10. Come on, Ninja. You're tough, man. You're strong, man.
yeah, I'll just do 10, I reckon.
Yeah, you got 10. You got 10.
What? That's it?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
it? That's 10.
Oh, sorry,
You
bro.
go. You
Let's
go.
go. Have a little rest. Put your knees down.
Oh.
Give yourself 5.
4,
Fun.
3, 2.
Sorry, man. I miscount.
Yeah,
All right. When
I
you're
did
ready.
Push.
Ready? Let's go, brother. 1, 2.
Great, great, great.
Come on, Ninja. Come on, Ninja. You got 8. You got 8. You got 8. Come on. Come on.
I got 10.
You got 10, man. You got 10. Fucking oath you do.
8.
You're strong
Wow.
as fuck. 1 more.
Wow.
Brilliant. Have a second.
Push.
5 to 10.
How fun's this?
Yeah, this is good. Really
Darcy.
pushes your limits.
Darcy made this workout up.
Yeah.
He gets the credit.
Yep.
It's going to be called Darcy. The Darcy, if you
go.
ever want to do it.
This is the Darcy.
Feels
Let's
alright.
Push.
go. 2. Let's go, Ninja. 3. 5. You got this, man. You got another 8 in you. Come on. You got 3 more, bro.
Wow.
Come on. 6. Come on. 2. I'm here with you. 1 more and it's straight off. As soon as you get it, it's off. As soon as you get
I'll try and get the 10.
it. Yeah, you can.
What's that? That's 7?
7. Yeah, look
Yes,
at the inner
bro.
beast. The mental strength. A
Oh,
little
one
bit
more.
of competition between us. Pushes him. Oh, and rest.
There you go.
It's hard. Jace, your turn next. Come on, Jace. Mate. Come on.
Come on, Ninja. You reckon you got 10?
Yeah.
You got 10, bro. Come on, the 5's lightweight.
Lightweight.
Lightweight. Lightweight. Let's go. Let's go. You got this. I'm with you. I'm with you, man. Come on. 6. Come on, brother.
Ooh.
I'm here. Feel the burn.
2 more.
Like it, love it. Embrace it.
Yes.
1 more. Give yourself 5. I only got 4 of these, man. I want you to beat me. I want you to beat me.
Have a go.
Okay, let's go. No more rest. Let's go. Straight in.
Jesus.
Let's go, Mitch. Let's go.
Yep.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Come on, man.
Wow.
Age is just a number, brother.
5.
It's all in your head.
I'll get to 10.
You get to 10.
Yes, 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 yes.
Nice.
2 more.
Yep, 2 more.
Yes.
One more.
Oh,
Yes.
how good's that? How good's that? How you feeling?
Good.
Exhausted. Fucking good pump in the chest.
Definitely tired, eh?
The change up in having a little bit of a rest, it's probably not fair for me and Ninja to go straight into something together. So maybe I'll do the next one, which means you maybe just explain it as our last little thing. We're giving ourselves only 15 minutes to get a pump.
Yeah.
So you
kinda
explain
got
it, then I'll go.
It's got the same kind of thing that we had here.
Yep.
But what you can do is you can do some work push-ups on the ball, so it gives you instability.
Yep.
So you got to really concentrate there. But what you can do is like that,
Wow.
and then go down.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, a bit of a around the world push-up. We'll call that the Ninja around the world.
World.
All right, let's see how many times I can get around the world. Let's go. 1.
Just count the reps.
Oh, yep. 2.
Yeah.
Yep.
3.
So toe off the ground, toe off the ground. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Holy
it makes it
moly.
hard, right?
And then maybe one of these.
Yeah, right.
Sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So just toe off the ground, that's it. Makes it hard. That's hard just doing it by
Yeah.
itself.
Dush.
Good, bro. What are you on?
Oh, that's 2 rounds.
That's 10. 5 in each, 5 reps in each thing.
Wow.
Like that. Quick math. Brain's not that good.
Good, you're fine.
It's the mushrooms. I was on the mushies.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, 3 rounds.
I don't know how hard it is just to do 20 push-ups. Or we do at least 50 push-ups. So there you got 15 in the first set. I
Holy
think.
moly.
20 on your back, Darcy. Good, Darcy.
1 more.
Come on, mate.
Yeah. Finisher.
Good. Good, man.
Woo.
Good, mate.
Rah.
He's going to pump it out.
How does it?
Measure.
That's not here for a video.
Ah.
Good on, man.
All right, Ninja.
See how we go?
He's had his rest.
So go right,
ready to go.
right, left.
Yeah,
you know,
yes.
like that.
Whoa, what a pro.
Bro, he's got the rhythm.
Got the dog in
He's
him.
not the first one to go for Ninja.
Oh,
Oh. Yep.
that's not that easy, Das.
Come on, Ninja.
Makes it look easy.
Come on, Ninja.
Holy moly.
Come on.
Come on, Ninja.
Oh.
Let's go. Get the double.
This is hard.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ah,
Another round. Another round. Come on. Come on. Look at that dynamic way of training, you know. We love doing a little bit of bench with the dumbbells. Come on, Ninja.
fuck, I'm pretty
done?
Pretty done. This.
Get one of them. Get 3 of these. Get 3 of these. Let's go.
Right.
1.
I'm done.
Done.
Yes.
Hey, that's fucking pushing yourself to the limit. Full exertion. That's what we call a superset, getting as much blood, as much pump into that muscle as we can.
Moment of
Truth.
Measure.
Moment of truth.
How have we gone?
Yeah.
This is what matters.
This is all
In the
that matters.
nightclub, mate, all matters about how big your chest is, doesn't it?
It's all
how
that
big the
matters.
biceps are.
Okay.
Come around here.
Yep.
Oh, sorry, cameraman. He's smaller.
Go above the nipple.
Get the lad in.
We must have measured wrong. 103 now. Maybe you were 97 as well. Or we might have measured the tape the wrong way.
From the other end, you reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Let's check Ninja anyway. We feel bigger.
Maybe you got. Mate, this is how you lose weight.
Sorry, man.
He's in the wrong way.
Yep.
All right, cross the
We
nipples.
did mine in inches last time.
I know I did Ninjas. Oh, Ninjas
Bro.
go 107.
Do the reverse then with the tape. Do the reverse. to get
So
it
go
matching.
from the wrong end, see how
yeah,
big you
wrong
are.
end.
Okay.
100, bro. You'll be massive. Yep, yep.
Oh no, I must have done it wrong. Look, now he's. Nah, we must have done
Nah.
something wrong.
Doesn't matter. I feel more pumped. Hey guys, have a go at that. Do it with a mate.
Yeah.
Enjoy the challenge, the competitiveness. You know, especially doing it with a guy who's got a little bit of that competitive spirit about him.
Yeah. See what you can do. You know, you might be doing 12 reps or something like that, or 8, whatever it is for your sets, and wherever you're at, just do it.
Yeah.
As long as you're pushing and you know in here if you're pushing yourself or not and getting the most out of it. So you're here, you might as well, it's a few extra seconds, few extra reps.
Yeah.
Come on, just do it.
Yeah, you're not going to regret getting those few extra out. It's those limiting belief systems that sometimes hold you back. Don't let them hold you back, man. Women or men, that just have a crack at it, you know, and just a different way of hitting all different fibers of your chest, you know, stability, different angles, incline, decline. That's something different for you guys. We hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you tomorrow.
Done.